Hello and welcome to ZAMIN Academy. I have brought a university for you in the United States, which has a big scope. If you're looking for admission in the United States, a good university which offers scholarship as well as application fee waivers, Middle Tennessee State University is for you. Yes, most commonly known as MT. It is offering admissions in the graduate and PhD programs, undergraduate programs. Admission will also be open. You can check that for yourself. But this university is a big one. If you are a Pakistani or an Indian or anyone in the world, you can apply to this university. This university has a lot of programs to offer, as you can see from here. Starting from till the Z, it has a lot of programs, and you can do from any of these programs. I'm going to choose my own program, which is English literature. Let's see, it has English literature, and it offers many majors as well. You can choose any of them. I'll put the application link below. You can simply join in by creating a temporary account. Then you will just log into it, and it has application fee waivers. Be mindful of those dates and you can get that easily. Don't be wasting all of your time. Just click on apply now and just apply it. Don't wait for the best days. Apply now so you don't regret later. It has some requirements as well, so you can just read the requirement for your own degree and that would be okay and enough for you. Yes, you would need IELTS and different things as well, but that's all the requirement that you always need for studying in an international university, especially in the United States. So here's this thing. Middle Tennessee University is the best university you can apply right now in the United States. With this update, I have to go, but I want you to subscribe to this channel and consider joining the membership. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Book your free demo lecture now. For more free videos, support us by subscribing to this channel.